warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Masruroh and I'm from TBIA. And for today, I'm going to tell you the difference between voiced and voiceless. So, what is voiced? A simple explanation about voiced consonant is that they use the voice. This is easy to test by putting your finger on your throat. If you feel a vibration, the consonant is voiced. So next is what is voiceless? Voiceless consonants do not use the voice. There are percussive and use hard sounds. Once again, if you want to test if a consonant is voiceless, you can put your finger in your throat. You will feel no vibration, maybe just a short, explosion of air as you pronounce. And now the example from voiced and voiceless sound. First is the example from voiceless sound. It's like s in the word zoo, t in the word teal, p in the word pal, and th in the word thistle. And next is the example from voiced sound. It's like z in the word zoo, b in the word teal, b in the word pole, and d in the word thistle. I think that is all that I can say. Thank you so much for watching my video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.